This is question 14 from exercise 35.2 in Project Maths 1. Let's read through the question first. So, school bought 20 tickets for a show. Some were teachers' tickets, costing €8 each, and some were pupils' tickets, costing €5 each. The total price of the tickets was €118. Let X be the number of teachers' tickets bought, and Y be the number of pupils' tickets bought. And for part 1, we've got to write down an equation in X and Y for the total number of tickets bought. Let's do that before we go on. Well, if the number of teachers' tickets bought was X and the number of student tickets bought was Y, if you add the two of those amounts together, you should get the total amount the school bought, which is 20. So X plus Y is equal to 20. Straightforward enough. And then for part 2, we have to write down an equation in X and Y for the total price of the tickets. So this one's a little bit tougher, but not impossible. The cost of the teacher's tickets will be the number of teacher's tickets, which is X, multiplied by the cost of each teacher's ticket, which is €8. So we get 8X. And to that we're going to add the cost for the student's tickets. Well, the cost of the pupil's tickets is going to be the number of pupil's tickets, which is Y, multiplied by the cost for each pupil's tickets, which is 5. So 8X plus 5Y. And that's going to be equal to 118, which is the total cost for all the tickets. So now we have our equation 1 and our equation 2. And we're going to go about solving these simultaneously, which is what we're asked to do in part 3. Right, ideally, we want the numbers in front of either both the x's or both the y's to match and have a different sign. So what we're going to do in order to get there is we're going to multiply our equation 1 by minus 5. And what that will do is that'll make the y's match in both equations. So we end up with minus 5x minus 5y is equal to minus 100. And then we're doing nothing to equation 2, so it's going to stay the same. 8x plus 5y is equal to 118. Now we add these straight down. So minus 5x plus 8x is 3x. Minus 5y plus 5y, that's 0. And minus 100 plus 118 is 18. So 3x equals 18, which means that x is equal to 18 divided by 3. We just took our multiply by 3 across and it becomes divide by 3. And that means that x is equal to 6. And then we can use this information by putting it back into either equation 1 or equation 2, and we can get our value for y. And the easier of those two options is to put it into equation 1. So equation 1, we're going to put it in place of x. So instead of x plus y equals 20, we're going to say 6 plus y equals 20, which means that y is equal to 20 minus 6, so y is equal to 14. So that is our two equations solved simultaneously. And now for part 4 of this, it asks us how many of each type of ticket did the school buy? Well, if x is equal to 6, that means they bought 6 teachers' tickets. And if y is equal to 14, that means they bought 14 pupils' tickets. And that's that.